परिजनों को उनके इलाज के लिए करोड़ों रुपए के चेक दे चुके और डॉक्टर एमएस जी अब तक बेघर लोगों के लिए हजारों मकान बनाकर उनकी चाबियां सौंप चुके। डॉक्टर एमएस जी दिव्यांगों की सार संभाल भी बड़े स्तर पर कर रहे हैं। उन्हें जरूरत का हर सामान डॉक्टर एमएस जी द्वारा मुहैया कराया जाता है। उनके परिवारों के पालन पोषण का जिम्मा भी डॉक्टर एमएस जी ने ही उठा रखा है। पर्यावरण को बचाने के लिए डॉक्टर एमएस जी हर साल लाखों पौधे लगाते हैं और अब तक 3,43,31,075 पौधे लगा चुके हैं। नेपाल में आए भयानक भूकंप से प्रभावित हुए लोगों तक डॉक्टर एमएस जी और उनकी शाश्वत नाम जी ग्रीनेस वेलफेयर फोर्स विंग ने घर घर जाकर राहत पहुंचाई। घायल व बीमारों का उपचार किया गया। भूकंप से तबाह हो चुके स्कूलों और घरों का पुनर्निर्माण करने के साथ साथ वहां लोगों के रहने की अस्थायी।
सबसे पहले उस मालिक का धन्यवाद जिसने हमें इस काम के लिए चुना है और उसके बाद इस अवार्ड की पूरी टीम का, दर्शकगण का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सबसे पहले हम आपको ये बताना चाहते हैं थोड़ी सी बातें। गुरु जो शब्द है इसका मीनिंग्स क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है। इसे गुरु कहे, पीरो मुर्शिदे कामिल कहे, टीचर कहे या मास्टर। गु का मतलब अंधकार होता है और रु का मतलब प्रकाश। जो अज्ञानता रूपी अंधकार में ज्ञान का दीपक जला दे वही सच्चा गुरु होता है। गुरु कभी किसी धर्म, जात, मजहब का बुरा नहीं सोच सकता, क्योंकि अगर उदाहरण दें, ब्लड ग्रुप अगर सेम है तो हिंदू का खून मुसलमान के, मुसलमान का सिख के, सिख का ईसाई के ब्लड लग सकता है, तो फर्क कहाँ है। कोई कहता है मैं बहुत बड़े धर्म से हूं, क्या वो ताज लगा के पैदा हुआ था जो छोटे के पूंछ लगी हुई है। अगर कोई कहता है मैं बहुत बड़े धर्म से हूं, क्या उसकी नाड़ियों में घी दूध बहता है जो गरीब के पानी बहता है, नहीं ना। और हमारी संस्कृति बेटी को मां का दर्जा देती है। बहुत लोगों ने सवाल किया है, हमने रिसर्च किया है वेदों पे, पवित्र वेद, गीता, रामायण, महाभारत, पवित्र कुरान शरीफ, कुरान मजीद, पवित्र बाइबल, पवित्र गुरबाणी, हमने रिसर्च किया। सभी में लिखा है कि बेटी जो होती है वो मां होती है। लोगों ने सवाल किया कि गुरुजी ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, तो आप सब लोग भी जरूर बेटियों के माँ बाप होंगे। जब बेटी छोटी सी होती है तो मम्मी पापा को कहती है पापा ये नहीं पहनना, ये नहीं खाना, तो इनडायरेक्टली वो माँ का काम कर रही है। जब शादी हो जाती है तो पति के लिए पत्नी तो है ही वो, लेकिन एक माँ का काम भी करती है कि आप ये पहनेंगे, वो खाएंगे, ये नहीं देखा, वो नहीं देखा, संभाल करती रहती है। और जब बच्चे होते हैं उनकी तो माँ है ही, तो वेदों में गलत क्या लिखा है। उसी माँ को जिसे भगवान अल्लाह राम से बढ़ के दर्जा दिया, हमारे धर्मों ने लोग गर्व में मारते हैं और अपने आप को हाई सोसाइटी वाले कहलवाते हैं। कहाँ है वो सोसाइटी, कहाँ है लिखा हुआ वो प्रमाण जिसमें लिखा है कि बेटी को माँ के गर्भ में मरवा दो और अपने आप को मर्द कहलाओ या बहादुर कहलाओ। अरे माँ का दर्जा भगवान से बढ़ के है, पर जो माँ गर्भ में बेटी को मरवाती है हमारी निगाह में वो माँ नहीं हो सकती। जो बाप अपनी बेटी का कत्ल अपने हाथों से करवाता है वो बाप नहीं, बेरहम जल्लाद होता है। तो हमने यही देखा है समाज में और बदलने की कोशिश की है और हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि आज समाज बदल रहा है। ऐसे ऐसे गांव भी हरियाणा में जहाँ से हम आए हैं, यहाँ पहले लड़कियों की गिनती इंसान यानी युवकों के मुकाबले बहुत कम थी और जो लड़कियां थी बहुत ही कम थी लड़कों के मुकाबले, और आज वहाँ 1000 लड़कों के पीछे 2200 लड़कियां हैं। ऐसे गांव भी प्रयास कर रहे हैं, करना ईश्वर ने है, और ऐसे अवार्ड जो लोग देते हैं और उनका भी बहुत धन्यवाद। और सबसे बड़ा धन्यवाद उस मालिक का जिसने इस सेवा के लिए चुना है, और आप सबका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much. Congratulations to your award winner. Ladies and gentlemen, this Shara is truly elegant and timeless. She is a proactive supporter of several social causes and NGOs, especially the Cancer Patients Aid Association, for whom she has conceptualized and organized over 20 editions of the Caring with Style fashion shows. She is also the prime mover behind the hugely popular Yoga by the Bay on Sundays. In public life, she is the senior office bearer of the Bharatiya Janata Party and lends her voice on many a television channel to promote and champion the cause of justice. Ladies and gentlemen, World Chairperson Giants International, Shaina NC.
Shri Nana Chudasma has the supporters sitting on the stage. And as I announce the names, I'm going to request you to please clap for these awardees who have worked behind the scenes. So let me start by saying Mr. Nuruddin Sevwala, and he is supported by his silent partner in the audience, Insia. Insia, where are you? So as every awardee has thanked their wives, I'm sure it's time for our people as well. Zakir Kapasi, President Federation 1A. Our Vice Chairperson of today, Mr. Nani Gopani. Juza Katleriwala, the Secretary. Mr. T.D. Thomas, Federation 1B President. Sharmishta Shah, Lalita Vasan, Jivraj, you have to clap for them because if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have this program. Lalita Vasan, Jivraj Nagaria, Upendra Menon, Shehnaz Zaveri, and of course our two good brothers of Goodwin, Mr. Sudesh Kumar. I'd like to thank you for supporting, sir. And may I also thank his brother, Mr. Sunil Kumar, trustee of Goodwin Charitable Trust. Just very briefly, today is our Founders' Day, an anniversary of course, and my father always quoted Winston Churchill when we were growing up, where he said, "We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give." And if that's something that is to be echoed, it needs to be echoed by every single Giant member sitting here who has taken forward this movement. And very briefly, I'd like to say, because I know there have been lots of speeches, that today we have 600 group, 25,000 members across the country and overseas. And unlike Rotary Lions, this is the only all-India social service organization. So when we applaud Mr. Rana Kapoor of Yes Bank by saying yes, Mr. Rana Kapoor, the next drive, whether it's the tissue drive, which Dr. Sanjay Desai has talked about, we'll be coming knocking at your door, and I'm sure Yes Bank will say yes, yes. Raj Nayak is a name that we all watch behind the scenes, but we watch every day on Colors Television. So thank you for being here. Mr. Vijay Darda of the Lokmat Group. Obviously Maharashtra's giant when it comes to print media, but also somebody with a very generous heart. I'd like to say for Deepak Chaurasia DG, it's tougher being on your shows than being off. So today I'll take the liberty to say that you are a journalist with the conviction, and we are the faces of the party, sometimes not with a conviction, but forced to be in that spot. Niranjan Hiranandani, it's ironical that you mentioned that today also happens to be your father's anniversary, and you being applauded for business and industry. I'm sure he's very happy up there. For my dear friend Deepika, who's left us, I only want to say that there are stars and stars, but stars who have the upbringing and the pedigree of the Padukones ensures that you are the only superstar. So for Deepika, her talent obviously speaks for herself. Professor Naule of Sinhagar Institute and Rupal Kanakya for primary education. I'm sure these are the two departments that are very dear to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Prakash Javadekar. I want to thank Sugalchan Jain ji for coming, because I know it's been quite a task for him to come from Chennai. But for him, I'd only like to say, to serve is beautiful, but only if it is done with joy and a wholehearted, free mind, which Empathy Foundation clearly endorses. What do I say for the most charming young man on this stage, Mr. Rishi Kapoor? I think you all can say it with claps. Somebody who we've seen as we've grown up, and now we continue to see when we've grown up, and he continues to be exactly what he is. I want to say for Dr. Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh ji Insan, there are reformers and there are reformers. But the new age reformer and the ease with which you have no hypocrisy is something we need to applaud. So thank you, sir, for being here. I want to thank the entire Giants team, Virendra, Shaida, Sagarika, the entire Judith, Hugo D'Souza, the compare, and every single Giant. If I start mentioning, I'll leave out a few, so I'm feeling wary about taking names like Ashwin Ankar, Rashmikant Bhai, Abdi Ali Bhai was here, Shehnaz I mentioned, Nafisa, wherever you are. There's so many pioneers, Amit, who have really put their heart and mind into this event year after year. And whether it's Kamal Jain's organ donation, or whether it is taking on the largest blood donation drive, or ending up at the spots of national calamities first, whether it's our schools in Uttarakhand, or Vishal, whether it's raising money through Giants Group of Chopati, Giants Group of Bhaikala, and all the varied groups, I only want to say this is one big family which we must all always be together and just make it grow from strength to strength. There will be shortcomings in every household and every family, but the moment we forget the I and think of the we will really be a nation that everyone wants to be a part of. And last but not least, I have to save the best for last. Our chief guest is truly a role model in public life. He started his career in banking, humble leanings from Pune, continues to be so. When he became the HRD minister, for most of you who don't know, his wife actually gave up all her teaching inclinations only so that there is no vested interest, and has been a role model as one of the
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Do take your seats. To welcome you formally to this wonderful evening, I'd like to invite a person who's dynamic, selfless and dedicated. Deputy World Chairman and Chairman, Giants Day Celebrations. Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Nuruddin Seifwala.
Thank you, Hugo. Ram Rahim ji, Insan. Our Vice Chairperson, Nani Krupani, Sarmishra and Lalita ji. Our ever supportive Federation President, Zakir Kapasi, T.D. Thomas, Jivraj Nagaria, our former awardees, dignitaries in the audience, consul generals, invited guests, and my Giants family members. On behalf of Giants fraternity, Nanak Siddha Samaj Saina NC, it is a great honor and privilege for me to welcome you all on our 44th Giants Day celebration and awards function. September is a very auspicious month, wherein we showcase true national integration by celebrating Paryushan, Hajj, Onam Festival, Mount Mary Festival, Eid ul-Adha, Ganpati Visarjan, and all these with peace and harmony. Also in September, Giants Day and Service Week are celebrated by we Giants uplifting the poor and the downtrodden and helping the needy. This time we have Mr. Naresh Parekh and all the Federation Vice President in charge of Deepak ji. दीपक जी, आप हमेशा फेयर बिहेव करते हैं और पैनलिस्ट को भी बोलने का वक्त देते हैं, तो यही तो ब्यूटी है दीपक जी की, इतने फेवरेट है सब लोगों के। Raj Nayak from Colors gives us the best entertainment and reality shows. विजय गर्दा जी लोकमत से लोगों की सेवा करते हैं। Professor Nawale sir has made Singer Institute a name to reckon with. Dr. Sanjay Desai, sir, you have cured so many VIPs and dignitaries, and we are being blessed that you are also here to bless us. Renowned knee and shoulder surgeon. Rupal ji has a great passion for studying literacy in India and empowering women. Sri Sugal ji loves to support people through various NGOs. We have yet to receive Rishi Kapoor ji and Deepika ji. We thank you all for gracing our function and assure you that our Giants Awards will be lucky charm for you all. Award as RBI Governor and soon close to become Prime Minister of India. We welcome Rishi Kapoor ji. We welcome you, Rishi Kapoor ji. Rishi Kapoor ji has just celebrated your 63rd birthday. And are popularly known in the 90s, Rishi Week. Your skillful portrayal of girls from 16 to 60 years make audiences love you, especially the ladies. And today also you are as charming as you were in Bobby. Sir, I was just going through that, the recipients of the Giants Award, they receive many folds in the near future. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was one. Sri Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat when he was the chief guest at our Mumbai convention. And he is now the Prime Minister of India, and today is his birthday also. So happy birthday to our Prime Minister Sriman Narendra Modi ji. Fortunately, it falls on the 17th September on our Father's Day. और प्रकाश जी जो यहाँ पे चीफ गेस्ट आते हैं वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनते हैं. So we hope that you still move forward, that the hands that help are far greater than the hands that pray. and that is what we Giants are doing. On Nana's birthday, approximately 25,000 trees were planted, 1,000 and more blood units were collected by various groups pan-India as a gift to Nana on his birthday. Organ donation is a national project, and in December last year, Saina Madam initiated the first ever interstate transplant between Mumbai and Surat. You see, the two states were not ready to do that also, but it was because of Saina when she was in Ahmedabad that we could do between Maharashtra and Gujarat. So hats off to Saina for always doing good work for the mankind. Recently, Saina NC and Giants members had participated in huge numbers in the organ donation awareness walkathon initiated by government of Maharashtra. We are fortunate to have our Dr. Kamal Jain, who is in charge of organ donation, and he has been successful in arranging this awareness campaign all over India. A big applause for Dr. Kamal Jain. 205 eye donations were accomplished this with the generosity of our various donors and well-wishers. I thank Nana for entrusting me with organizing this prestigious event. It has indeed been a most rewarding experience. This has all been made possible with the dedicated efforts of Senas, Zuzar, Sarmi and many committee members and of course the Giants office staff. I also thank the management of Trident, especially Mr. Devendra Vermaji and Bantik, and they are also supporting always since last the inception of our Giants award function. Our supporters, Goodwin group of companies and all our advertisers in media partners and decorators for their generous contribution. You have been a wonderful audience supporting the Giants movement. Thank you all for giving me a patient hearing. God bless us all, and I hope you have an enjoyable evening. Thank you. God bless us.
फोटो स्टिल
May I request Mr. Shah to kindly felicitate Mr. Rama Chudasma. And may I request Lalita Vasan to kindly felicitate Shaina NC. Ladies and gentlemen, this wonderful evening has been made so by the generous presence and every support of some very special individuals and organizations. And we would like to express our deepest gratitude and appreciation by presenting them a bottle plant, symbolic of Giants' concern for the environment. May I request Shri Prakash Javadekar, our chief guest, to kindly felicitate Shri. Requesting our chief guest, Shri Prakash Javadekar, to kindly felicitate Mr. Sudhir, Executive Vice President, Oberoi Hotels and Resorts on stage, to receive a bottle plant from Shri Prakash Javadekar. I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Yogesh Lakhani, Managing Director of Bright Advertising Publicity. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Devendra Verma receiving a potted plant. The fact that the Oberoi Group have been our hosts for every one of our award ceremonies.
फोटो
We have Mr. Yogesh Lakhani, our outdoor partner, Bright Advertising Publicity. They've been our partners for the last 14 years. Thank you very much to Yogesh Lakhani. From Fortune Lifeline, will we have on stage Dr. Syed Irfan. From Fortune Lifeline, will we please have on stage Dr. Syed Irfan. Personalities. We'll begin with all our 4 award winners. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to put your hands together and welcome our award winner, Ms. Deepika Padamon. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you get a lot of opportunities to take photographs, so don't worry. We like to recognize the presence of many celebrities, most of them former award winners. Mr. Khalid Ansari, Ms. Farzana Contractor, Dr. Kiran Shantaram, Dr. Behramji, Dr. Zahir Qazi, Ms. Manju Nichani, and I'm sure we'll have more coming in while the evening is in progress. I'll recognize them once I know they're here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite you to address you very briefly. Mr. Nanu Chudasma, World Chairman and Founder, Giants International.
बम्बई के हिसाब से प्रसिद्ध अली
Thank you, Nanaji. Ladies and gentlemen, very short and sweet, but Nanaji is a man of action rather than words, so thank you very much for your blessings. With that, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to announce and present the Giants International Awards 2016 for outstanding accomplishment in various fields. Ladies and gentlemen, each of our 12 recipients is not just an achiever, but a super achiever of great reputation and merit, with an exhaustive list of accomplishments. A detailed profile of each is given in the award souvenir. However, since time is at a premium, I've been told to keep each introduction.
तो एक मिनट मार के आ जाए चलो हम लोगों को भी लेने दो
Ladies and gentlemen, our first award winner is conferred the Giants International Award for Banking and Finance. He is the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Yes Bank, undoubtedly a professional bank. He was earlier Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director in 2003. Before that, he had key positions at and Bank of America. He established leadership on all organizations. He is the immediate past president of ASOCAN, has been associated with the Indian Banks Association, the government leaders board of trade, the Prime Group, and the plan is not enough. Yes Bank, and he, as an individual, have been the recipients of an astounding over 14 awards at the last count for institutional and professional excellence across various spheres. Add to that the Giants International Award 2016 for excellence in banking and finance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the first award winner of the evening, Mr. Rahul. I shall request you to accompany our distinguished chief guest to present the trophy to Mr. Rahul.
सर यहाँ पे सर ऊपर मोबाइल कौन है यार मोबाइल वाला क्यों क्यों और आपका पीछे लो क्या हुआ नहीं ले सकते नहीं आप क्यों ले सकते हो मैं बोल रहा हूँ इसलिए आप जाओ पीछे चलो आप पहले हाँ तो ठीक है ना हाँ तो ठीक है तो पीछे लो ना मोबाइल
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rahul.
दादा हाथ पीछे रखो थोड़ा ये तो उसको जो
दादा
साइड में
दादा यार थोड़ा मोबाइल रखो ना
हाथ
पीछे
मुंह पे मत मारना
हो गया ना लो लो पीछे।
1 second. I think. Just switch this on.
We will give you a long form of these
उठाएंगे जब आगे आएंगे
camera teams.
सर प्लीज
Could you please allow the function to proceed?
प्लीज प्लीज
Please go ahead. Go ahead.
प्लीज प्लीज
ए बसून घ्या ना खाली ए नीचे बैठ जाओ आधी खाली बसा ना
Foreign press on behalf of Chairperson of the Giants International, Madam Shanati. We are very happy to receive this very prestigious recognition from none other than the Honorable Nana Chudasma ji, Chairman Emeritus of Giants International, a giant himself. Truly a giant himself. a person who has really committed his life to the city of Mumbai, to the state of Maharashtra. I'm particularly delighted to receive this award. I think it's for banking and finance, so I would like to believe, at the hands of the new chairperson, Shyama NCG, in her capacity as the future leader of Giants International. And naturally, the team which is working with them. Particularly, I'd like to acknowledge the resources of our nation. I'm happy everybody's settling down. My recognition is, in a way reflective of the city of Mumbai when I came as an immigrant in 1980. And I'm very delighted I built a beautiful bank called Yes.
Contribution to the field of media and entertainment is conferred on a person who is the Chief Executive Officer of Colours and Rishte at Viacom 18 Media Private Limited. He began his career with Tata Economic Consultancy Services before joining the Star TV Group in 1993 as Executive Vice President, Sales and Marketing. He then joined and helped set up NDTV Media United Limited as Chief Executive Officer and Minority Stakeholder before launching his own independent venture, ADEM Ventures Private Limited. He made his transition to Colours and launched Rishte soon after. He was recently appointed Chief Executive Officer and Business Head for Viacom's 18's newly launched 24-hour Hindi movie channel, Rishte Cineplex. He is the President of the Advertising Club and on the boards of several professional bodies. A complete people's person who's passionate about spreading smiles and injecting cheer wherever he goes. He is held in high esteem as one of the great thought leaders in advertising, marketing, and media circles in India. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Ellis Naik or Raj Naik. Congratulations to Mr. Raj Naik. Okay, still camera teams, please put your cameras down and allow our electronic media in shots. Yes, it's live and let live out here. Thank you very much to our still camera teams. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll invite Mr. Raj Naik to share his thoughts with us.
I'm not going to take too much of the time, but generosity, what are the 5 words? Generosity, integrity, action, nobility, trust, and selfless service. You know, when I read about what Giants is all about, and it may sound a little not the right thing to say in a forum like this, but I believe that all of us have only one destination to go. That's written. We all know where we are going to end at the end of our life. Some of us will reach there early, and some of us will reach there late. But the fact is, we are all destined to go to one destination. And something I truly believe in, you know, when you die, irrespective of the religion you are, whether you are a Hindu, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Christian or a Parsi, whichever religion you belong to, there is one thing, you will be wrapped in a white cloth, and some of us will be buried, some of us will be cremated, burnt, fed to the goodwill. You know, organizations like Giants International, the humanity, the service that you're doing to mankind, I can build on. Create as many memories as you can, because that's something that you will carry with you, because everything else will be stripped off. And create as much goodwill as you can, because that's something that will truly stay with you. People will say, he was a good man or she was a good lady, and they'll come for your funeral. It may sound awkward in a forum like this, but I believe organizations like Giants, who believe in generosity, who believe in integrity, who believe in action, who believe in nobility, trust and service. That's all we need to do to make this a great country, to make this a great world. I'm really honored to be receiving this from the Honorable HRD Minister, Shri Prakash Javadekar ji. And Nana Chudasma ji is somebody I grew up. I used to work in this part of the city when I moved to Bombay 30 years ago. And I still fondly remember the banner I used to see, and I used to make. I'm really honored to accept this award.
Thank you very much. And let's hear from Mr. Raj Naik. Ladies and gentlemen, the recipient of the next Giants International Award is a journalist par excellence, a politician with vision, a dynamic entrepreneur, and a spirited social worker. He is the editor-in-chief of the Lokmat group of newspapers. He was elected to the Rajya Sabha in July 1998 and re-elected in July 2004, and has served the state of Maharashtra and the people of Vidarbha with passion. He has been associated with national and international media bodies in different capacities. He was president of the Indian Newspaper Society and deputy chairman of the Audit Bureau of Circulation. He was instrumental in setting up the South Asian Editors Forum and was its founder president. The recipient of several awards for journalism, including the Feroz Gandhi Memorial Award. He has several books to his credit and has attended numerous national and international conferences and seminars. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the recipient. Congratulations, sir. Could you please share your thoughts with us?
आदरणीय मंच, उपस्थित सभी अवार्डी, इस सभागृह के सभी सम्मानित, मुझे भी अवार्ड मिल सकता है ये सुनकर ही मुझे आश्चर्य हुआ। कोई पत्रकार को भी अवार्ड देता है। मैं सर्वप्रथम नाना और शायना और उनके सभी टीम को धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरा विचार किया और मेरा सम्मान ही नहीं किया, तो सम्मान के साथ मुझे जिम्मेदारी मेरी बढ़ा दी। ये चूंकि एक अवार्ड पत्रकारिता के लिए मिला है और यहाँ पर हमारे मित्र सहयोगी साथ ही पार्लियामेंट में जावड़ेकर जी भी यहाँ पर उपस्थित है, इसलिए मैं दो बात कहना चाहूँगा। ऋषि भाई देते मुझे, क्योंकि मैंने काफी अवार्ड्स हमारे मंत्री महोदय से लिए, पर एक बात चाहते थे आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना चाहूंगा जावड़ेकर जी कि आपने आने के बाद आपने इन्वायरमेंट मिनिस्टर भी आप थे, मैंने आपका काम बहुत नजदीक से देखा। आपने इन्वायरमेंट में जो स्पीड लाई, आपके पास तो स्किल है पर स्पीड भी लाई आपने और सारा सफाई करने का काम शुरू किया। आप एचआरडी मिनिस्टर बनने के बाद में, एचआरडी मिनिस्टर मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट मिनिस्ट्री, राजीव गांधी भी उसके मिनिस्टर थे और मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट मिनिस्ट्री होने के बाद में भी आपने उसकी जो इमेज बदली है, क्योंकि वो अलग ढंग से भटक गई थी, उसका भगवाकरण की तरफ वो जा रही थी, ऐसा लोग कहते थे, मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ ये, मगर उसके जो इमेज बदलने का आपने काम किया उसके लिए आपको फिर मैं बधाई देता हूँ और मुझे इस अवार्ड के लिए चुनने के लिए, मेरा विचार करने के लिए मैं आपको फिर से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। जय हिंद।
Thank you very much. For Mets in 2016, Dr. Sanjay Desai. Congratulations, Dr. Desai, and invite you to share your thoughts with us.
despite my manager himself. And I especially thank all my patients who have kept faith in me, without which I wouldn't have become an expert. I would like to make a last comment by suggesting to Giants International as well as to my corporate friends with an idea of a tissue bank, just like you have blood bank. This is one thing which we are lacking not only in the city of Mumbai but in the whole country.
Congratulations to Dr. Sanjay Desai. Our next award will be the Giants International Award for Electronic Media. He is a well-known and highly reputed personality in the Indian media scape. He is currently the editor-in-chief of India News Group. His first foray into television was in 1993, and he began growing in stature as a television journalist with his uncanny nose for news and a flair for capturing and captivating the nation and beyond with the spirit and essence of every big news story: elections, disasters both natural and man-made, celebrations, milestones in history, visits by head of state and more. He has also enjoyed fruitful stints with Aaj Tak, Doordarshan and Star News, now ABP News. Among several awards conferred on him is the recently awarded EMBA Award for the Best Editor-in-Chief Hindi. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Giants International Award winner 2016 for Electronic Media, Mr. Deepak Chaurasia.
Still.
Congratulations, Mr. Chaurasia. I'd like to address our distinguished audience.
मंच पर मौजूद सभी लोग, आदरणीय नाना चुड़ासमा जी, जिनका नाम हमें प्रेरणा देता है। बचपन से इनका नाम सुन के हमेशा प्रेरणा मिली। मिसेस चुड़ासमा, शाइना के लिए आखिरी बात मैं सबसे आखिरी में बोलूँगा। सबसे पहले मैं जाइंट्स के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ। जब से मैं इसके बारे में पढ़ रहा हूँ, जान रहा हूँ, जो नोबल काम इसने किए हैं और जो अच्छे काम किए हैं जाइंट्स इंटरनेशनल ने, उसका कोई सानी नहीं है। जब मैंने पुराने अवार्डीज की लिस्ट देखी और इस साल की अवार्डीज की लिस्ट देखी, तो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ शाइना को कि शाइना, मैं इस लीग में नहीं हूँ। टीवी पे बोलना बड़ा आसान होता है, क्योंकि टीवी पे बोलने के लिए पैसे मिलते हैं। यहाँ पे अवार्ड मिला है, इसलिए बोलना पड़ेगा। और खास तौर से अवार्ड आप उन लोगों से लें जिनसे आप बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, जिनके कंडक्ट को आप लगातार देखते हैं, जिनके बारे में आप ये महसूस करते हैं कि वाकई इन्होंने जो काम किया है वो सेल्फलेस है, वो सोसाइटी के लिए है, वो उन लोगों के लिए है, वो भावी पीढ़ी के लिए है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि प्रकाश जावड़ेकर जी से अवार्ड लेने के बाद मुझे भी थोड़ा सा उनके जैसा बनने का मौका मिलेगा। मैं सिर्फ एक बात मानता हूँ कि पत्रकार वही है जो दिखता है या लिखता है। दिखना वो जो टीवी पे दिखे, लिखना वो जो अखबार में लिखे, और बिके वो जो उसकी मार्केट वैल्यू है। शायद दीपिका, राज भाई, ऋषि कपूर जी इस बात को बहुत अच्छी तरह समझते होंगे कि उस वैल्यू का क्या मतलब होता है। लेकिन सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट लाइफ का ये होता है कि जब आप कई सारी चीजों को देखते हैं, महसूस करते हैं, तब आप अपनी जिम्मेदारियां समझने लगते हैं। और एक पत्रकार के तौर पर जो आदरणीय दत्ता जी ने कहा कि जो जिम्मेदारियां हैं वो आज के बदले हुए माहौल में बहुत बड़ी हैं, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि मैं और मेरे साथी उस जिम्मेदारी को निभाते रहेंगे। आखिरी बात मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि इस तरह के अवार्ड्स आपको आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देते हैं, आपको ये इंस्पिरेशन देते हैं कि आपने जो कुछ किया है वो काम आपका रिकॉग्नाइज हुआ है, आपको और आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। डाडा जी को मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि बाइट्स तो पहले सब देते थे, सुषमा जी भी देती थी, नरेंद्र भाई भी देते थे, अब शायना जी दे रही है, जनरेशन बदल रही है। वाकई जो जाइंट्स करता है बाकी लोग करते हैं, बाकी मंच पे जितने लोग बैठे हुए हैं और उनका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है वो समाज के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा है, हम उसके मुकाबले कुछ भी नहीं है। अगर उसका 1% कर पाए तो हमें लगेगा कि हमारी ज़िंदगी धन्य हो गई है। इसी बात के लिए मैं कि मुझे सम्मानित किया गया, मुझे इस लायक समझा गया कि मैं मंच पर इन बड़े लोगों के साथ बैठ सकूं। मैं शाइना जी का, जायंट्स इंटरनेशनल का, उनकी पूरी जूरी जो थी उसका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं। तो शाइना जी से सिर्फ एक बात कहना चाहता हूं कि बहुत जल्दी दिल्ली में हम पार्लियामेंट में आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं, जल्दी आइएगा।
Thank you. A warm round of applause for Mrs. Deepak Chaurasi, the winner of the Giants International Award 2016 for Electronic Media. We now move on to the Giants International Award, Nadi Complex in Hawaii and later Thane, as well as several other landmark projects. Apart from construction, the group has diversified into education, horticulture, hospitality, entertainment and retail. The group has also forayed into the healthcare sector with the 188-bed Dr. L.H. Hirunandani Super Specialty Hospitals in Hawaii and Thane. He is a past president of the Indian Merchant Chamber and the managing trustee of Hirunandani Foundation, the Hirunandani Foundation School and the Nathdwara Temple Board in Rajasthan. He has held or now holds key offices on several industry bodies, ASSOCHAM, FICCI, MCHI, Naredco, FIDI, HUDCO and Habitat 2. The recipient of numerous awards, the Latin phrase labore et constantia sums up the success story of the man they call builder extraordinaire. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, sir, and request you to kindly share your thoughts with us. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Niranjan Hirunandani.
In the last 30-40 years,
Okay, Deepika will smile at everybody, don't worry. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Deepika Pandon, and we request her to share her thoughts with us.
After listening to everyone speak, I'm completely underprepared. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Giants, for this amazing honor. Thank you so much, most importantly, for being so patient with me. I know we were trying to do this for many, many years, and I'm glad this finally happened. And this award is even more special because Shaina was sitting next to me, and it feels lovely to have won something where my father has also won an award for his contribution to sports. I think that was back in 2002 when I was still in school. So it feels great to be here and receive this award. Thank you Nana ji, thank you Prakash ji, thank you Shaina. And having started my own foundation last year, the Live Love Love Foundation, which focuses on creating awareness on mental health, I understand how difficult it is to do social service and social work, and so I want to thank and congratulate everyone at Giants International for the amazing work that all of you have done over the years. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and a warm round of applause for Deepika Padukone. The recipient of our next award is truly a giant in the field of education. He launched himself as a teacher and evolved into a visionary educationist with the Bharati Vidyapith Society, where he succeeded, and colleges for medicine, dentistry and nursing. The hospital is a charitable hospital providing free of cost treatment to everyone. At present, he is a key person for all the activities of Srinagar Technical Education Society and is president and chief managing trustee of the society. He is also associated with several other education institutes and trusts, managing schools, colleges and professional and technical institutes across Maharashtra. Congratulations, Professor Nandini, and a few words from you, sir.
Thankful to Prakash Javadekar. Especially I received this award from a top man in the field of education. He is our own minister. We come from the same city. I am also from Pune. Prakash Javadekar also comes from Pune. We know each other since last several years. I must congratulate the Prime Minister. He has selected the right person for the right post and right ministry rather. Only one thing, Prakashji, I would like to make. He has practically all the educational faculties. Only medical education is
College Fellow, Jain Medical Relief Society Chennai, Medicity Hyderabad, Cancer Institute Adia Chennai, People for Animals Chennai, which he himself has founded, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the board. Congratulations to the Integration Economic Council Delhi and the Best School Brands 2016 by the Economic Times. Ladies and gentlemen, to receive the Giants International Award 2016 for outstanding contribution in the field of education, Mrs. Rupal Kanakia, Director, RBK Educational Institutions. Hits, super hits and blockbusters followed, with other superstars, top-notch directors and producers. Khel Khel Mein, where audiences fell in love with him, and wife-to-be Neetu Singh, even before they fell in love with each other. Kabhi Kabhi, Amar Akbar Anthony, Karas, Bol Rana Bol, Deewana, and many, many more. He turned director with R.R. Longchay. His second innings, however, with movies like D-Day, Namaste London, Love Aajkal, to name just a few, stamped his class with an aura of immortality. The romance lives on because pictures abhi bhi baki hai. Ladies and gentlemen, to receive the Giants International Award 2016 for outstanding contribution to films, the one and only Rishi Kapoor. Congratulations to Mr. Rishi Kapoor. And sir, could you please share your thoughts with us? Ladies of yesteryears, the Gen Next, the ladies of the Gen Next are ready to romance this wonderful actor.
Respected Prakash Javadkar ji, Mrs. Munira Chudasama ji, Nana Chudasama ji, my dear Shaina, fellow awardees, ladies and gentlemen, giants, और अगर giants का कोई female version है, then gianties. पहले तो I'm sorry that I was a little late. This was due to the traffic that I encountered because of the Mount Mary festival. I apologize sincerely. Having said so about traffic, I might add that I used to live in Chembur and I used to study here in Kafre at the Campion School. And we used to travel every day from Chembur to Kafre to the school. So the only thing for me was to actually sleep in the car. And the only time I woke up was when I was by the bay and I used to also see that cloth banner which says something very important and very good. Even as a child, I appreciate that. Thank you, Nana Chudasama ji, for all those thoughts, for all those years. Shaina, I hope you, first of all, I hope you had a good cycling tour. She was on a cycling tour. I really envy her. I'd like to take this opportunity, just a bit. There has been a little bit of controversy. I'm involved in right now, so I'd like to take on something what my friend Mr. Vijay Dada said today. The responsibility of the media, पत्रकार जैसे आप कह रहे थे, आपकी हर बात सलाम हो सर, लेकिन जब पत्रकार या कोई मीडिया का बंदा अपनी मर्यादा से अपनी रेखा से बाहर हो जाए उसका क्या कीजिएगा? आपके पास तो ये माध्यम है जो आप यूज कर सकते हैं किसी के भी खिलाफ. हमारे पास तो नहीं है, हम अपनी क्लैरिफिकेशन करते हैं. आपने तो मेरा नाम, हमारा नाम तो बदनाम कर दिया. अब वो वक्त हमारा है कि I have to prove myself and vindicate myself. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to say that I believe, as Mrs. Chudasama was sitting by me, she said that the Giants started in the year 1972, and with only 8 people, with Nanaji heading all 8 of them. I might just about add that I started my career also in 1972, so we both actually are 44 years in the industry. Thank you very much, Nanaji, Shaina, all my fellow awardees. Congratulations to all of them. They have done wonderful things in their field. Thank you, Giants. I see my friends, Kiran Shantaram, I see Arvind Chori and Rashmi. Right, all of you. Thank you, all of you. And once again, my love to you. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you very much. And a warm round of applause to Mr. Rishi Kapoor. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to the award for social reforms. He is the motivational leader of the social spiritual organization Gera Satya Sauda, through which he has initiated 123 activities starting at saving the girl child, marriage of prostitutes, the welfare of widows, the elderly, families of soldiers and martyrs who have laid down their lives for the country, regular blood donations for the army and Palestinian patients, disaster relief, homes for the needy, education for financially weak, welfare of animals and care for the environment. He has composed hundreds of hymns, has written several books on spirituality, and has built nearly 2,000 ashrams in almost every state of the country and abroad. To reform the youth and guide them away from the scourge of drug addiction, alcoholism and corruption, and to promote a healthy lifestyle through vegetarianism and sports, he has initiated the unique concept of divine fusion music concerts and path-breaking films, MSG The Messenger, its sequel, MSG The Messenger, and 2 more that will soon be released, MSG The War. Ladies and gentlemen, Giants International Award 2016 was so forms is conferred on Saint Dr. Gurdeep Ram Rahim Singh Ji Insan.
जिन्होंने समाज सेवा की एक या दो नहीं बल्कि 56 विश्व कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए, जिनमें 19 गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में, 3 लिम्का बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में, 27 विश्व कीर्तिमान एशिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में और 9 कीर्तिमान इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में दर्ज है। कचरा फैलाने वाले लोगों को सुधारने के लिए डॉक्टर एमएस जी ने 21 सितंबर 2011 में जब खुद झाड़ू उठाई तो इनका अनुसरण लाखों लोगों ने किया और करोड़ों लोगों ने गंदगी ना फैलाने का लिखित में प्रण भी लिया। होप एंड पीस ऑफ मिटे रोग अभियान के तहत इन्होंने अब तक गंगा नदी सहित 29 महानगरों को कुछ ही घंटों में साफ करने जैसे नए आयाम स्थापित किए। बड़े पैमाने पर आदिवासियों को आदिम युग से निकालकर उन्हें शिक्षित, स्वरोजगारी और सभ्य बनाने वाली आज इकलौती शख्सियत है। आज ये लोग डॉक्टर एमएस जी की बदौलत सभ्य समाज के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर खड़े हैं।
कैमरा लगा हटाना यार, कौन है?
वेश्याओं को अपनी बेटी बनाकर उनकी शादी करवाने वाली ये पहली हस्ती है। कन्या भ्रूण हत्या न करवाने के लिए लाखों लोगों को एक साथ शपथ दिलवाने वाले सिर्फ डॉक्टर एमएस जी ही हैं। डॉक्टर एमएस जी 28 ऐसी बेटियों को गोद लेकर उनका पालन पोषण कर रहे हैं जिनको उनके माँ बाप ने पेट में ही मरवाया। डॉक्टर एमएस जी ने किन्नरों को सुप्तुआ जैसा नया सम्मानित नाम देने के साथ साथ माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट में उन्हें तीसरे लिंग के रूप में मान्यता दे पाई है। डॉक्टर एमएस जी के प्रयासों से अब बेटियों से भी वंश चलने लगे हैं और अब लड़कियां बारात लेके जाने लगी हैं और दूल्हा बिहाकर घर लाने लगी हैं। डॉक्टर एमएस जी ने इस रीत को कुल का क्राउन नाम दिया है और इनके प्रयासों से अपने पैरों पे खड़ी लड़कियां अब दिव्यांगों से शादियां कर रही हैं। डॉक्टर एमएस जी की बदौलत अब बेटियां अर्थियों को कंधा देने लगी। डॉक्टर एमएस जी स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों की भी दिल से साथ संभाल करते हैं। 1991 के बाद देश विदेश में आए 22
Let's go to China. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to China and see. Ladies and gentlemen, there are politicians involved, and we are glad that among politicians, we have statespersons. Our Chief Guest, Shri Prakash Javadekar, is one such statesperson. I'll request him to share his thoughts with us. Over to you, sir.
आज के बहुत ही अच्छी शाम के लिए पेज ही पूरा एडवर्टीजमेंट होता है, दूसरा भी पेज एडवर्टीजमेंट होता है, फिर एक रैपर होता है, लेकिन ऐसे 2.5 पेज के रैपर से भी सबसे बढ़िया 2.5 लाइन का लाना चुड़ा सभा का बैनर होता है और वो इतने साल पॉपुलर है। और शायना हमारी कलीग है, अब अच्छा बोलती है, हम स्पोक्समैन नहीं रहे, हमें दूसरी जिम्मेवारी मिली तो वो समर्थ से संभालती है। प्रायोरिटीज क्या है? मैंने कहा पहली प्रायोरिटी क्वालिटी, दूसरी प्रायोरिटी क्वालिटी, तीसरी प्रायोरिटी क्वालिटी, और इसी को लेकर हम देश बनाएंगे और आप सब लोग हैं जो अपने अपने क्षेत्र में कमाल करेंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much for honoring the recipients of awards and for your gracious presence here. Ladies and gentlemen, I request our World Chairperson, Giants International China NC, to kindly present a small token of appreciation, our gratitude and esteem to Sri Prakash Javadekar. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a truly glittering evening here at the 44th Giants Day and Awards. I'd now like to invite another Colossus among Giants to express the gratitude of the organization to the many who have helped make this a memorable evening. An astute industrialist, a committed social activist, and a charming individual, let's hear it for Dr. Rani Rupani, Vice Chairman, Giants Day Celebrations Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Rani Rupani.
World Chairman Nana Sratma, Munira.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
शेडी लोग हैं वो हमारे पास आएंगे क्योंकि वहाँ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट होता है, तो हमें लगता है ये कदम है देश को सुधारने के लिए, ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि हाँ ऐसा भी कोई है जो बिना किसी पैसे के, बिना कोई धर्म जात छुड़ाए नशा छुड़ा सकता है। तो हमें लगता है उस दिशा में एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है।
सर कितना प्रोत्साहन देता है, एक आपको कितना प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा और दूसरे लोगों को भी?
जी, हमें बस यही प्रोत्साहन मिला है कि ईश्वर ने जो हमें चुना है और वो जन जन तक जाएगा और हर कोई उससे सुधरेगा। हमें बड़ी खुशी है इस बात की। जी, वो एक राजपूत योद्धा है, उसकी कहानी है। फर्स्ट टाइम वो एक किरदार में आए हैं, पूरा फैमिली का उसमें वातावरण है और बहुत सारा उसमें जो योद्धा है वो अपनी राष्ट्र की बहनों की इज्जत बचाने के लिए अपनी जान पे खेल जाता है। और तो वो उस तरह की एक फिल्म है जो अभी बड़े लोगों ने उसे पसंद किया। ट्रेलर भी जैसे जर्मन में पूरे 15 टॉप में से उसको चुना गया, तो ऐसे हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि लोग अभी से उसका रिस्पॉन्स इतना दे रहे हैं।
आप इतनी सारी चीज़ें कैसे कर सकते हो एक साथ?
जैसे आप इंसान है बेटा, हम भी इंसान हैं और हम यही कहते हैं कि यही है भगवान की कृपा जो हमसे इतना कुछ करवा लेती है। अदरवाइज हम भी इंसान हैं जैसे सब लोग इंसान।
थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग योर टाइम।